Did you know that the largest source of trouble for outboard engines lies in the fuel and fuel systems? Hi folks, Captain George Mitchell here. I've got 3 boats and a total of 5 engines, and I go through a lot of fuel and fuel filters. But I rarely have fuel-related issues because I pay a lot of attention to my fuel and my fuel system. Let me show you how I manage maintenance on my outboards. I do it with the My Yamaha Outboards app. It's a big help. Let's open it up and click on Maintenance Matters. Then scroll down to Fuel and Fuel Systems. Once you start reading, you'll realize there's a lot more to it than just changing filters and performing your 100-hour service. The prevalence of fuels blended with ethanol is a big concern because of the problems it can cause anglers and boaters. I must admit, I learned a lot here, folks. It sure made me more aware of the importance of proper fuel system maintenance. I change my spin-on filters every 80 to 100 hours. I do it more often if I don't use that particular boat for an extended period. Changing the water fuel separator filter is very important. Here's a quick tip. Before installing or reinstalling your filter, fill it about 3/4 of the way full with fresh gas. That makes it much easier when priming the fuel system. I also use Yamalube's fuel stabilizer and conditioner, as well as Ring Free Plus. This combo does a super job of keeping my engines in check. Knowing your fuel is fresh and the fuel system is well maintained, it really is the answer to preventing issues on the water, and it provides peace of mind when fishing. Folks, you got to check it out. On your laptop, go to myyamahaoutboards.com, but your smartphone or your iPad, go to the App Store and pick it up there. It's the My Yamaha Outboards app. I've got it on my phone, I've got it on my iPad. It's great to have all this information right at your fingertips.